Hey guys, so we're always trying to pack Pre-Approve Me with value to provide to real estate agents. And one of the things that we could do, since we have the national data for every home that's on the market, is give you the ability to quickly and easily create open house flyers. So if you see over here on the left-hand side, there's a new option, open house flyers. Click create, punch in the address, 97707. Okay, I'm just going to put the zip. 97707. Oops. And click create. In a couple seconds, it's going to pull up the flyer and you can get to work customizing it. There it is. It's going to have your logo, the top photos from the listing, the description, the information, and then you have to customize if you want to add like a payment. So let's say that I knew the payment was going to be about $5,500 on this. I can remove or add different photos. I can customize the description. I can even go in here and I probably want to delete a couple of these things because they're not actually, doesn't have a basement. I'm going to show a promotional banner. So I'm going to add some text here. This house is sick. And then I'm going to add a QR code. Now this accesses some of Pre-Approve Me's functionality, the loan application, or if you want a QR code for them to get your mobile app, you can do it just like this. I'm going to click save, and that's going to add the additional promotional text and the QR code. This house is sick. So what could you use the notes for? Well, if you wanted to, you could put some financing terms. You could, add some commentary about loan programs that might be available. Anything that you might want to add, you can do there. Now, you can also, of course, make this co-branded. So if you go up here to the top, there is a attach realtor option. I'm going to attach James Bond to this. I'm going to save the flyer again. And now it is co-branded with the real estate agent. So that is how easy it is to create a flyer. You can do this from your phone. You can do this from the web portal. And so can your realtors.